Hi guys, this is Auto Exquisite Detail. My name is Lee and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review on the Karcher SC3 Steam Cleaner. So we're going to start off with an unboxing and I'm going to show you what comes in the box, then I'm going to assemble it, give you some specs, and at the end show you a demo and then give you a review. Also guys, if you want to check out this machine, I will leave a link in the description below so you can find it. Okay, let's get into the box. Okay, so first up, we have a few instruction manuals. Next, we have the descaling filter. Now this comes with the SC3, and if you bought the SC2, you don't get this included. You then have your small wool bonnet. This is for your smaller upholstery nozzle. And then you have your larger wool bonnet, and this is for the floor nozzle. You then have these two extension hoses. So you then have these three attachments. The first one you have is the large one, which you're going to be using for your floor. The next one we have is sort of the medium one with the brush. You can use this for your countertops, your shower doors, maybe your windows. And then finally we have the smallest one, which is the blaster, and this can be used for small crevices around taps, maybe your tiles. Next in the box we have the wheels, which attach onto the machine. And then we have the actual unit. So at the bottom of the box we just have the small wheel that fits onto the main unit, and this tiny little brush, and this fits onto the small blaster. And then lastly, we have the main unit. This comes with the power cable and the main steam hose and trigger gun. Okay, so I'm going to get this assembled and bring you in for a closer look. So some of the specs of the SC3, it has a 1900 watt heater, a max steam pressure of 3.5 bars, a 4 meter cable length, and a heat up time of only 30 seconds. This product also comes with a descaling filter, as I showed in the unboxing, so you won't get that mineral buildup like you do at the bottom of kettles. So I'm going to top it up with some water and see how it works. So I chose the SC3 over the SC2 for a few reasons. The first being the heat up time. So the SC2 takes 6 minutes to heat up before you can start using the steam, and this machine only takes 30 seconds. Plus this machine also has a continuous filling method, so you don't actually have to wait for the machine to cool down and then refill it like you do with the SC2. They both have a 1 liter tank capacity, and they both can cover a 75 meter squared area per tank. So besides the descaling filter, the weight, size, and all the accessories are pretty much identical. So the reason I got this instead of the SC2 was mainly because of the heat up time and the cool down time needed for the SC2. So the SC2, you need to wait 6 minutes before you can start using steam, and then when you want to refill it after your tank is empty, you have to wait about 10 or 11 minutes for it to cool down before you have to open the top and then refill it with water. This, however, you don't have any cool down time and you can top it up immediately and keep using it. So the only big downside of the SC2 is the fact that you have to wait 6 minutes for it to heat up, then 11 minutes for it to cool down, and then after you fill, you'll have to wait another 6 minutes for it to heat up again. So if you're just doing your own car or a few things around the house, then that wait time for the SC2 is not that bad. However, me who's doing detailing, I can't afford to waste time, so it was a no-brainer to go for the SC3 just because it's that much quicker to heat up and there's no cool down time. So the SC3 has a 1900 watt heater compared to the SC2's 1500 watt. This is the reason for the difference in the heat up times. Also, the SC2 has a max steam pressure of 3.2 bar compared to this machine's 3.5 bar. Now the SC2 has a tendency to spit water out. This machine does do that, but not as much. Now spitting out water, of course, it can be dangerous in a car infotainment system. You don't want to hold it too close or hold it in one place for too long. And of course, using a steam cleaner inside a car, you definitely want to have a cloth on hand. Where the light spitting of water can be helpful is when you start cleaning seats. The little bit of extra water actually can help lather up your cleaner, and when you're trying to wash the cleaner away and wipe it down, the little bit of water does actually help there as well. So guys, I think that this is a great little machine. Now I'm going to be mostly using it for car detailing, and you don't need incredibly high steam pressure or steam power. So for my application, it works just great. I have tried this around the house, cleaning some taps, stoves, and even tiles, and it does a decent job at that as well. So guys, that's it for my review. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit like and also subscribe to the channel, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss my future uploads. And with all that guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.